Okay, fantastic.
Okay, my first visit to Dr. Silverston was a week ago after suffering for 3.5 years with a painful infection that resulted in lockjaw. After one treatment, I could open my mouth for the first time in 3.5 years. And I can eat food, solid food, hard food, and this is very exciting for me.
That is so exciting. So what would you tell others who are considering chiropractic care?
It's not only about your back, it's about everything. It's about the whole body. My back is better, but my jaw is absolutely incredible.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.